Record progress.
So can you tell me if you guess in this answer? Tell me if you guess in this answer. So you still get it minus 2 and 2 this, or you get the minus.
I say minus 3 and 2 now, that's like I actually write it out, but like when you put it in the calculator, you get to the negative 2 and 2 this.
Miss, when I do 2 divided by negative 4 over 3, I got negative 3 over 2.
Oh, this one. What I'm trying to figure out now is how to go about this one. Need to fix the problem now to make sure you don't make the same mistake. The problem could be x squared 6x that's 4. So x squared minus 6x plus 4. Right, so those got this one. Was simple. You told me. You understand why it's not this? Like, in a way you went wrong? I need to know. So we can fix that problem now so you don't make the same mistake later on. Everybody understands how we got this?
Yes, miss.
Okay. All right. We're going to move on now. So if you don't understand, let me know. So I just want to finish these questions. If you have something else to do now, you can go ahead. But I just want to finish. All right. So the next thing you're doing is one. You can write down these two in case you want to future reference. You want to go back practice these questions. So do this one for me.
Miss, I got negative 6 and 7.
Anybody else got this answer?
Yes, miss.
Step 1, make sure equal to 0 is already equal to 0. Step 2, identify A, B, C. A is 2, B is 6, C is 7. Step 3, find alpha beta. Alpha is beta, is minus 6, 2, is equal to minus alpha beta, 7 on 2. 1 over alpha plus 1 on beta. What is that? What's the what is that equal to?
Beta plus alpha over alpha beta.
Beta plus alpha is the same as alpha plus beta. Why? Because it's theta, right? Alpha beta. You know, alpha plus beta is minus 3. Divided that, minus 7 on 2. So, that would be minus 6 on 7. Everybody understands?
Yes, miss.
Yes, miss.
See? And that's a whole box you already have. And that's just this last one. And then and that's it, right? So do this one. Anybody has an answer?
Mr. Almost finished written it.
Wait, repeat.
No, so I just said I'm almost finished written it.
All right.
Miss, I got 13 online as the answer.
1309. Anybody else has that answer? All right, let's just do it. So first, make sure it's equal to 0. This is already equal to 0, right? Yes, no, you know. Right. A, B, C. A is 2, B is -5, and C. Trying to do it is to find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Plus beta minus B on A is -5 on 2. 5 on 2. Alpha beta. You know alpha beta is CA, C is 3, A is 2. 3 and 2. They want us to find, they want you to notice that this was not on the list, right? Well, we had this, we had 1 on alpha plus 1 on beta. But you know what? That doesn't matter. Why? Let me show you. If I want to find the LCM, what would be the LCM here?
Alpha square beta square.
Alpha squared beta. Um, alpha squared to alpha squared beta.
Beta square.
Plus beta squared into alpha squared beta squared.
Alpha square.
Alpha squared. Or we could rearrange this to alpha squared plus beta squared. Go for alpha squared beta squared. And we already know that alpha squared beta squared is the same as alpha plus beta squared minus 2 on beta. Remember that?
Yes, miss.
Everybody remember? This was number, what was it? It was number 3. No, it was number 3. Right. Alpha squared beta squared is the same as alpha beta squared. So even though this wasn't on the list, could you agree that you could have figured it out? Like, or what's your prior knowledge?
Yes, miss.
Even though, right? So all this means, I mean, you can write them if you want to. we'll need to. So 1 on alpha squared plus 1 on beta squared is the same as alpha plus beta squared minus 2 alpha beta divided by alpha beta squared. So what I write? This is equal to alpha plus beta 512. So 512 squared minus 2 alpha beta and 2 alpha beta squared and 2 squared. So that's 25 on 4 minus 3 on 9. Can anybody point into your calculator and tell me what you get? Anybody? Put this in your calculator and tell me the value. This. Anybody?
Miss 299.
89. So everybody understands?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, miss.
All right. That's it for this class. So everybody understood every single thing we did today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Well, that's some products of roots, that topic. We finished it. And since you're able to answer past paper questions, well, you know you're good to go, right? If you still kind of iffy about some things, ask me. Ask me on WhatsApp, ask me on Discord, ask me in Classroom, doesn't matter. And practice makes perfect. So although you have it now, you need to keep practicing to make sure you lose it, right? Okay, so that's it. You could leave now. Unless you have any questions, you can ask me.
Bye, miss.
Bye.
Bye, miss.
Bye. Do you have any questions?